Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Vivo Pad 5 and Vivo Pad 5 Pro. Let's see this poly video. Starting with body features. Next, compare display features. Vivo Pad 5 comes with 12.1 inches IPS LCD display, and the Vivo Pad 5 Pro comes with 13 inches IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Both two tablets are powered by the MediaTek chipset. Let's compare the camera features. Next, compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. These devices include studio speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.